So today I am going to talk about cloud computing for learning purposes. So as we know, um, we have now so many resources that can help us as teachers to develop a better performance in our classes. So this is important for teachers to know what are the advantages of cloud computing for their teaching purposes. So we are going to look at some benefits and what it is about. So why should you use cloud computing for e-learning? Most of the times we as teachers, we ask this kind of questions because we might not have the resources or we might not have the access to internet or some kind of software or hardware. So this is important for us to know all the benefits that this has. So we are going to look at some of them. So how a new education system using cloud computing works. So on the internet, we can find learning materials, so many resources, student records, and also if we have to prepare a class, then as you can see here, we can review it at home, and then we can assign our students so many tasks that they can develop at home. And it doesn't matter if the student is actually not there, because he has access to internet. He is going to be able to perform any kind of task that we are asking. So then we have global cloud computing market in education sector. So as the first one, we have the key trend, which is increasing adoption of e-learning. So many schools around the world are now implementing e-learning on their curriculum because it's easier and it's better for students and for us as teachers too. Then we have market driver, which is reduced cost of ownership. With cloud computer, we don't need to buy books. We don't need to spend money on many resources that with the time are going to be outdated. Then we have market driver, which is growing usage of learning analytics. And then forecast, the market is projected to reach $20.59 billion by 2021. And then we have cloud computer enhances pupil-centered learning. As you can see here, cloud-based learning applications and online learning environments allow for greater degrees of interaction and engagement by the individual pupil. Because there are so many learning tools and apps available, there is increased differentiation in the classroom. So the benefits of cloud computing are being recognized in business and institutions and public schools and schools around the world. And then we can mention some benefits. So there are no more expensive textbooks, no more outdated learning materials, no expensive hardware or software required, and reaching more and more diverse students. So this gives the students the opportunity to increase their knowledge by researching, by finding more reliable information online. So this is a very nice resource for teachers and students to use. Thank you very much for watching this video.